Good, everyone. Welcome back, and thanks again to my Pepe family. Okay, let's look at what's going on with Pepe right now. It's also important to know what to expect as the week goes on. Once more, I'm sure that those of you who hold crypto or meme coins already know what's been going on in the crypto area. It has been completely crazy. People are getting paid. People aren't upset. Also, this is important for people who have been collecting cryptocurrencies or meme coins over the last few months. Anyone who has been collecting, whether it's joke coins or utility projects before November, doesn't really need to know what's happened in the crypto space in the last 30 days. But let's take a better look at meme coins, because utility projects have grown much faster than meme coins over the past, I'd say, 2 weeks. Are we about to see that change happen again for meme coins? It's important to remember that memes have been really popular for a year now. Give you another look. I want you to notice that memes are still up 130% when you look at it regularly. That's something you can't forget. Take a look at Pepe. It's 151% higher now. Dogecoin went up 170, hit that 130%. You all get the idea. And there are also more memes. However, it's not the size that many people are hoping for. And this makes me think of the last cycle when meme coins didn't even exist at the level they do now. As you may know, creations of Dogecoin's moves last cycle gave rise to the meme coin platform, or rather meme coins, as a huge market value or a group in their own right. After that, there were a bunch of different joke coins. Dogecoin is the reason you can see that even Pepe is alive today, going crazy the last time. I don't think there would have been a meme coin group if Dogecoin hadn't gone crazy last cycle. That's just my view. If you disagree, please tell me in the comments. If you look at Pepe Reign at 2087, its market cap is up 3.1% in USD and up 1.1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's not quite at $10 billion yet, but it's at $8.7 billion, and there are about 4.1 billion trades every 24 hours, which is good to see. But before we go any further, as always, let's clear something up. Anything on this station is not meant to help you with your money. As with any investment, you should always do your own study before putting money into crypto. Going back to what I said, let's do that. So, it's clear that meme coins went crazy during the last bull cycle. There's a lot of Dogecoin. Then later in that bull period, especially in the fourth quarter, meme coins just went through the roof. In the past, though, it was a service project that did very well. This time, utility projects didn't really move either. We did see that rise at the beginning of the year, but never to the point where it is now. And that is because crypto is now subject to control. There are big events going on and a lot of rumors going around about the start of ETF indexes that aren't based on meme coins. You may have noticed, and that doesn't mean that joke coins won't become popular ETFs. I believe there will come a time when there is a joke coin ETF. Take my word for it. However, some projects that you never really talked about are getting a lot of attention right now, and Donald Trump is a big reason for that, right? And yes, we are seeing a utility run. Your boy called this early on, and that's why meme coins are a little behind right now. But if you look at the market as a whole today, things did pick up. Pepe, dog with hat, and sheep are all picking up speed right now. But going back to SHIB, even though it's been picking up speed lately, the 24-hour trading volume speaks for itself. I really think that flipping will happen. It might not happen tonight, or tomorrow, but I'm sure it will happen. The Pepe is a project in and of itself, with a lot of community support and hype. It looks just like a Shiba Inu, which is really crazy. Personally, I think something close to what happened with Pepe last cycle will happen again. But this is just my opinion so far. We've seen Pepe get mad. I've seen Pepe in person 100 times, and I think it's going to go much higher because of how Pepe has a history of copying Shiba Inus. It has all of the trades to itself. It has that high level. The time is clearly the most important thing. If you've done your study and only invested money that you can afford to lose, then patience is the most important thing you can do. Okay, fine. Let us check out what's going on with the price. As you all know by now, control has been steadily falling, which is great news for people who hold alternative coins. So, since the dominance is going down, you are seeing a lot of these utility projects spring up. And when you look at Bitcoin, it's pretty much staying stacked. The price then dropped to $90,000, and it has been going up towards $96,000 ever since. And if you watch my videos, you know how important that $96,000 is. That's great, but let's take a closer look and figure out what's going on with Pepe. This gathering of Pepe is like exactly what you want to happen, even if you don't believe it. A lot of people forget that this is a positive sign. People have forgotten that Pepe prices went up 224% from November 4th. But if you want to see them again, you can. I'm going to leave it at that. A rise of 224% from November 4th. November 4th was a good time to start collecting altcoins because, there was a lot of uncertainty at that time. The market could have gone in any direction, right? It could have gone really well or really badly. Donald Trump was chosen, big deal. Massive growth for the whole market, not just Pepe. 224% rise. No one should say that Pepe hasn't done anything. And of course, if you look at it yearly, it's clear. Let's go back to the regular time frame for a moment. You can see it's up 12x or even more, but Crypto Bubbles is clearly a little behind. Wow, shout out to the family back home, Mantra DAO. No, those were the good old days. I've never told you this story, but you have PopCat Whiff. From what you can see, there seems to be a trend. The rates of some utility projects are falling behind these meme coins, but if you look at the daily or weekly timeframes, you're not seeing those kinds of gains. You need to look at what's been going on all year, and your boy CryptoZX will remind you of that. But it's important to see a consolidation pattern form after a 224% rise. And I've told you guys this many times before. Now that this crazy all-time high has been reached, the project needs to be able to stand on its own, and Pepe has been able to do just that. We've seen that breakout, and I tried to do it too. The 23